Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie in this gorgeous true blue pearl color. This four-wheel drive, four-door, five-passenger crew cab pickup truck comes equipped with a 3.0 liter six-cylinder engine, and that is the EcoDiesel engine mounted to an automatic transmission. Starting in the front with some of the notable exterior features, this truck has lots of chrome accents, and it all starts up front with that great chrome bumper as well as the massive chrome grille with that nice ram in the center there. You've also got the really nice projector beam headlights, and just below there you've also got the fog lamps for some additional style and utility. As you come around to the side of the vehicle, you'll notice the 20-inch chrome rims that the vehicle currently rides on, and those are wrapped in the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. These things are fantastic, tons and tons of tread, and they are absolutely ready for any and all terrain. As we continue down the truck, of course, you do have the EcoDiesel badging there, as well as the Ram 1500 badging. As you back up, you'll notice the chrome mirror caps, as well as the chrome door handles. And then back here, you do have the tinted rear windows for some additional privacy for the rear passengers or rear cargo. And that tint continues in the power sliding rear window as well. Up top there, you've got the roof-mounted antenna. And as we continue down the back of the truck, in back here you will find the tonneau cover over the box, and if we open that up, you'll find inside a nice soft open tailgate with the Bedliner here. You got that black armor box liner to make sure that it doesn't damage the box, anything that you put in there. You've also got some interior lights in there. And as we back up, you'll notice the 4x4 badging on the right hand side there, and on the left hand side you've got the Laramie badging. And of course you've got that great chrome rear bumper with the dual chrome tipped exhaust, and you've also got the hitch, so this truck comes ready to tow. This truck is in phenomenal condition inside and out, and it is absolutely ready for work or for play. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at the fully loaded features. Hopping inside this rugged pickup truck is nice and easy thanks to the smart key system, though of course you do have your standard remote keyless entry options on the key fob here, and you've also got remote start, which is a very nice feature. You can warm up this truck before you even hop inside in the winter. Like I mentioned, it is equipped with a proximity smart key system. Simply walk up with the key on your person, put your hand in the door to unlock the vehicle. When you hop out, you've got that button there to easily lock the vehicle. Inside, you're greeted with this gorgeous black leather interior. You've got the Laramie badging embossed right onto the seat. It looks absolutely fantastic and very premium. You've also got that nice accent stitching along the headrest there and along the bolster. And you've got the perforation in the center of the seat for both the heating and cooling functions. Just below the seat here, you've got all the power adjustable seat controls, including your power adjustable lumbar support, and you'll also notice the memory settings for the driver's seat here, so you can easily switch between seat settings when you're switching drivers. If you take a look in the footwell there, you'll find the Husky branded all-weather mats that you'll find all throughout the interior, which make them nice and easy to clean, regardless of how dirty or wet they get. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at all the bells and whistles in this fully loaded truck. The premium features start with the push button ignition. Simply put your foot on the brake and push the button to start the vehicle as long as the key is inside. If we take a look over at the driver's side door panel here, you'll find this gorgeous design, including the nice Ram badging on the door pull there, and you've also got this great looking wood grain trim. And of course, this is also where you'll find the controls for your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And as an added bonus, your two front windows are both automatic, and your mirrors are one-touch power fold-in mirrors. Very, very nice to have in a truck of this size. Just below there, you do have a little bit of extra storage in the door panel, as well as a couple of extra cup holders. And if you take a look just to the right of the door panel here, you've got the controls for your headlights. And this truck does come with the automatic headlights, which is a very nice set it and forget it feature. And of course, you've also got the switch for the fog lights there that I showed you on the exterior. If you take a look over at the steering column here, you'll find the adjustments for your pedals, so you can bring those forward and back depending on the length of your legs, which is a very nice feature. And you've also got the manual adjustment for your tilt steering wheel there. If we back up and take a look at the steering wheel, you'll find a very nice design, including the nice silver accent here. And on the left-hand side, you've got the voice recognition button, as well as the Bluetooth hands-free calling button. And below that, you've got the buttons to navigate the screen in the center of the gauge cluster. So let's go ahead and take a look up there. One of the very first things you'll notice is the Ram badging at the very top there. And then, of course, you've got your analog gauges on the left and right. And in the center there, you've got that big digital screen. And if you take a look just over here, this is where you'll be able to see what screen you have pulled up. So this first screen here is your vehicle information, including your tire pressure. You can also check your transmission temperature, the life of your oil, your battery voltage, and you've also got the gauge summary there if you wanted to look at all of those at once. And finally, you can also check the engine hours here as well. In the top left there, you've also got the range, and in the top right, you've got the temperature, the exterior temperature, and in the bottom there, you've got the average fuel economy, and this truck will get fantastic fuel economy thanks to that EcoDiesel engine. And you've also got the current fuel economy in the bottom right-hand corner there. At the very bottom, of course, you do have the odometer, and you can see that this truck currently has 80,589 kilometers on it. In the next screen here, you've got your fuel economy. Like I mentioned, fantastic fuel economy. You've also got your trip settings here, so you can easily track your kilometers as well as your average fuel economy and speed. Next, you've got your tow mode here, so you can check your trailer mode, your trailer brakes, trailer brake gains, and more. Next, you've got your audio system, so you can check what's playing and adjust it without ever having to take your hands off the wheel or even glance at your infotainment system while you're driving. Next, you've got any stored messages, and you've also got the screen set up here, so you can play around with the options for your screen. And you've also got a digital speedometer here. And then we're back to the first screen. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you've got the cruise controls just on the bottom here. And up top, you've got the gear button, so you can easily switch between gears while you're driving. If you take a look up just above the center dash there, you'll find that this is an Alpine sound system, and it sounds absolutely phenomenal. And just below there, you've got more of that Ram badging in this nice little tray here, that same great wood grain trim. And just below, we've got this massive embedded touchscreen infotainment system here with all the options, including navigation, which is a very nice feature to have. Of course, you've also got your radio, so you've got standard AM, FM radio, and you've also got XM radio, which is a very nice feature. You've also got a USB input as well as an auxiliary input, Bluetooth, and you've also got an SD card slot, so you can be sure that you can listen to your own audio regardless of the type of device that you have. Next, you've got your seat controls as well as other controls, including your heated and ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel. You've also got the auto dimming rear mirror, so it'll keep those bright lights out of your mirror at nighttime. And you can also bring up your backup camera. Finally, of course, you do have these settings there as well. Next, you've got your apps, so there's lots and lots to see here. You can scroll through, and if you have your phone hooked up, you can access that. You've also got your climate controls, your radio, screen, and additional settings. If you click over into the climate system here, you'll be able to access your climate controls, though of course you do have your tactile climate controls just below that. Like I already showed you, you've got the nav here, and then of course you've got the phone if you have that hooked up as well. If you put this truck into reverse, you'll see the backup camera pop right up, and that nice big screen really helps when you're driving a truck of this size. You got that nice big backup camera. And of course, if you turn the wheel there, you'll see those guiding lines adjust as well. This truck also comes with parking sensors, so it's nice and easy to park, even though it is a big truck. Just below, we've got the controls for your audio system, as well as the hazard lights, and you've also got the screen off button there if you wanted to turn off your infotainment system. And below that, you've got the dual zone climate controls for the vehicle. It is automatic as well, so if you hit that auto button, it'll let the vehicle adjust the fan speed and heat for you to get it to your desired temperature. And of course, you can adjust the temperature independently for the driver and the passenger. As we move down, you've got the trailer brakes here, so you can release those, and you can also adjust the gain. And you've also got the button for your traction control, so you can toggle that on and off. You've also got the tow and haul mode, as well as the button to toggle your rear parking sensors on and off. And you've also got the tactile buttons for your heated and ventilated seats for both the driver and the passenger, and those are both two-stage. And you've also got the heated steering wheel button there as well. Just to the left of that, you've got the gear selector. And below that, you've got the four-wheel drive mode here, so you can choose whether you want to be in two-wheel, four-wheel, or auto. And if we take a look on the right-hand side here, you'll find an AC outlet, which is a handy feature to help keep things charged up. And you got a little tray there just above it. As we continue down, you've got a little storage tray here for some smaller items. And then you've got a nice large storage area here with a 12-volt outlet underneath there. And you've also got a little phone holder here. This is a really neat feature. You can just drop your phone in there and it'll hold it nice and steady. And you've got a couple of cup holders on the right-hand side here. Then you've got this massive center console here. You've got that nice ram in the center. It's a nice padded armrest. And of course, you can open up the top of that to reveal the first compartment here, you've got some coin slots at the top, and then you've got a nice little tray. And on the right hand side there, you've got the USB port, as well as an extra USB port, an auxiliary input, and your SD card slot. And those are all for your audio system, and this is a charging one. And of course, you can also open this up to reveal lots and lots of interior storage space inside. It's a nice deep compartment with a nice carpeted bottom there. If you take a look over in the passenger side footwell, you'll find the same great all-weather mats, and above that we've got the standard glove box here with the owner's manual, and you've even got that nice leather case for it and that nice accent stitching. Of course, it's got the RAM on it as well. Just above that, we've got the extra storage compartment up top here, and it's got the nice Laramie badging. If you take a look over at the passenger side door panel there, you've got the same great design as we found on the front, as well as, of course, the switch for the passenger side window, as well as the power locks. And finally, if we take a look up top here, you'll find the 3 garage door buttons, so you can easily access your garage without having to pull out your key fob. You've also got the switch for your power sliding rear window, which is a really nice feature to let some additional airflow in. And you can also combine that with the extra airflow that you'll get from your sunroof, which is a very nice feature. You can let tons and tons of air into this truck in the summer months. And of course, you can also slide this back and let lots of light into the cabin as well. So let's go ahead and hop out and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this truck. In the rear of this truck, you've got more of that same incredible black leather seating that extends all the way across the nice bench seat. You'll also find plenty of legroom for the rear passengers. Even if the front seats are pushed all the way back, you've got tons and tons of legroom back here, as well as, of course, that all-weather mat that extends all the way across. Back here, you'll also find a couple of handy little storage pockets in the back of the driver and the passenger side seat. You'll also find the 2-stage heated seats for both side rear passengers, as well as a 12-volt outlet, and you've also got the nice RAM badging there as well. On the floor there, you've got a couple of extra cup holders for your rear passengers, and you can also fold out the nice center armrest here for some extra cup holders, and you've got that nice padded leather armrest for your rear passengers. If you take a look at the rear door panel here, you've got the same great design as we found in the front, including the RAM badging, and you've got that nice wood grain trim up top there. That concludes this short video walk around, but this truck is absolutely loaded with features from bumper to bumper, and there's so much that I didn't get a chance to show you. So make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leadhead Road, or visit us online at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.